During this week, the Ferrari factories in Maranello and Modena gradually returned to full production, in line with the Back to Track program. The first car to come off the Special Series line, after 7 weeks in which the processing was suspended, just a few hours before the completion, was a Ferrari Monza SP2 with black and gray livery. In the following days, an F8 GTS Spider in Grigio GTS and a F8 Tributo in Rosso Corsa were among the first cars completed in the 12 and 8 cylinder lines. The new Ferraris are ready to be delivered to their owners in USA, Australia, and Germany, and to finally hit the road.